Good morning, children. I hope everybody is fine and safe. A small request from the teaching fraternity of DAV Public School, Dr. TPS. Dear children, please ask your parents to pay the school fees, those who did not pay till today. Thank you. Children, in the previous class, in the lesson Excel as a database, you have learnt about what is a database, what is a field, record, what is field name, and how to create a form. Children, now let us start our today's session by learning about how to add a new record in a form. If you look at the Excel database, what is present here, you are able to see that 7 records are present in the database. And before going into our topic, adding a new record in a form, you should understand and you should know that before adding a new record in the form, every worksheet or the worksheet which is containing the database must have the field names at the top of each column. If you observe the Excel database sheet here, the field names present are serial number, name of the student, class, section, father name and mother name. Now, this is the procedure which we have to follow in order to add a new record in a form. First step is click on the cell where the data starts and then select the form button from the quick access toolbar. Then automatically whatever sheet you have selected or whatever data you have selected from the sheet, based on the sheet the dialog box appears showing record of the first person in the present database. Then second step is click on new button, then automatically a blank form appears. Then fill the information in the respective fields and then press enter key. Then automatically you will notice or you will be able to see a new record which is added at the end of the database. Then after a new record is added at the end of the database, last step is click on close button in order to close the form. Now let us see how to create or how to add a new record in a form practically. If you observe the Excel worksheet here, in this Excel worksheet 7 records are present. Then in order to create a new record or to add a new record in the form, just now we have seen the points. The first point is click on the starting cell. Here starting cell is nothing but A2 because it is the cell which is containing the serial number and from there the data starts. So after clicking on A2, then click on form button which is present on the quick access toolbar. After clicking on the form button which is present on the quick access toolbar, you will be able to see a dialog box which is named as sheet 1 because all the data present here is appearing in sheet 1. So you are able to see the dialog box with the name sheet 1. Then after looking at the sheet 1 dialog box, you have to click on new option. Then when you select new option or when you click on new option from the dialog box, you will be able to see a new form, blank form, which contains all the same field names like serial name, name of the student, class, section, father name, mother name. Then fill all the details. As already 7 records are present, you have to start the 8th record. So type the serial number as 8, enter the name of the student, class, section, father name and mother name. After filling all the details or the fields, press enter key. Immediately after pressing enter key, you will be able to see the new record added to the present database. So after pressing enter key, after seeing the new record which is added to the Excel database, click on close button. Now let us see the procedure for searching a record. So the following is the procedure which we have to follow in order to search a record from the database which is available. First step is we have to click on the form button which is present on the quick access toolbar. So when we press the form button, automatically a dialog box appears. Then second option is we have to click on the criteria button. On the dialog box you will be having so many options or buttons like new, criteria, etc. We have to click on criteria button. Then as soon as you press criteria button, a blank form appears. Then from that blank form, so many options will be there, that is the field names which are present in the database. In our present database we have the field names like serial number, name of the student, class, section, father name, mother name. So the same field names will appear. So based on what type of data you want to search the record, so you have to enter the value there in that particular data type. So presently I have taken the example as serial number. So based on the serial number I want to search the record. So in that serial number box, what type of record? So presently we are having 7 records in our database. So which type of record you want to see or search, type the number there. So as in the example what I have shown here is I want to search the record number 4. So in the serial number dialog box I have typed 4 and press enter key. Then automatically what are the details related to serial number 4 will be displayed on the screen. So if the value what you have entered in the text box is matched or correct, then automatically that record will be displayed. Suppose whatever value you have typed is not matched with the record from the database, automatically the first record will be displayed. For example, in our database 7 to 8 records are there, but in the serial number dialog box I have entered 10. So as the serial number 10 is not matched with the records present in our database, automatically it will display the first record. Now let us see practically how to search a record. So in order to search a record, the first step in our procedure is we have to click on the form button which is present on the quick access toolbar. Then as soon as you select the form button which is present on the quick access toolbar, the dialog box appears. Then from the dialog box you will be able to see the different buttons like new, criteria, close, etc. Then you have to click on criteria. After selecting the criteria button, you will be able to see a blank form with the same field names what are present here, like serial number, name of the student, class, section, father name, mother name, etc. So based on what criteria you want to search a record, you have to type the value there. So in this example, I want to search the record based on the criteria serial number. So in that serial number I am typing number 4. So as soon as I type number 4 in the serial number dialog box and press enter key, it will display all the details which are related to serial number 4. Then after that you click on close. Now let us see practically if the value what we have typed doesn't match with the records present in the database. So in order to search a record, we will follow the following procedure, that is clicking on the form button which is present on the quick access toolbar. As soon as you click on the form button, a new dialog box appears. Then click on criteria button. As soon as you click on criteria button, a blank form appears. So based on the data type serial number, I want to search the record. So in the serial number dialog box, I am typing the number as 10, but in the present data sheet or database we are having only 8 records. So when we type 10, as the value is not matching with our records present here, it has displayed the first record present in the data sheet.